Clarkston. Your 135-pound girls 2A District 6 champion was Jalen Luna from Rogers High School. Your 140-pound girls District 6 champion from Clarkston High School, Olivia Wyatt. Next up at 145 pounds, junior Jalen Hart from Clarkston High School will be wrestling Emmy Jo Vogel from Deer Park. 145-pound girls 2A final. Two of the boys will be wrestling in the final for the District 6 Championship.